Programming languages are the foundation of modern computer technology. They are used to communicate with computers and instruct them to perform specific tasks. Just as humans use languages like English, Hindi, or Marathi to communicate with each other, computers use programming languages to understand instructions given by programmers and developers. A computer can only understand machine language, which consists of binary numbers such as zeros and ones. However, writing programs directly in binary is extremely difficult for humans. To make programming easier, programming languages were developed. These languages allow programmers to write instructions in a simpler and more understandable format. A programming language is a set of rules, symbols, keywords, and syntax used to create computer programs. These programs are used to develop software applications, websites, mobile apps, games, operating systems, and many other digital systems that we use in daily life. Programming languages are important because they help humans solve real-world problems using computers. For example, banking software manages transactions. Social media applications connect people worldwide. Online shopping websites process orders, and mobile applications provide various services. All of these are built using programming languages. There are different generations and types of programming languages. The earliest form was machine language, which directly used binary numbers. After that came assembly language, which used short codes called mnemonics. However, both were still difficult to use. Modern high-level programming languages were developed to make programming easier and more efficient. High-level languages are closer to human language and easier to learn. Popular examples include C, C++, Java, Python, JavaScript, and C#. Each programming language has its own features and areas of application. For example, Python is widely used in artificial intelligence and data science. Java is popular for enterprise applications. JavaScript is mainly used for web development, and C language is often used for system programming. Programming languages can also be classified based on their purpose and working style. Procedural languages focus on step-by-step instructions. Object-oriented languages organize programs using objects and classes, and scripting languages are mainly used for automation and web development. To convert program code into machine-understandable language, special software called a compiler or interpreter is used. A compiler translates the entire program at once, while an interpreter translates and executes the program line by line. Every programming language follows a specific syntax and structure. Syntax refers to the rules for writing correct statements in a program. If the syntax is incorrect, the program generates errors. For example, missing a semicolon or writing incorrect keywords may cause compilation errors. Programming languages help improve logical thinking, problem-solving skills, and creativity. While learning programming, students understand how to analyze problems and design efficient solutions. This is why programming has become an essential skill in the modern digital world. Today, programming languages are used in almost every field, including education, healthcare, banking, transportation, entertainment, robotics, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity. As technology continues to grow, the demand for programming knowledge is also increasing rapidly. In conclusion, programming languages act as a bridge between humans and computers. They allow us to create software, automate tasks, and develop innovative technologies that improve everyday life. Understanding programming languages is one of the most important steps toward building a career in computer science and modern technology.